let's get this adventure started. I'm Baby Sky, and I transformed into a chocolate bunny. Now let's get started with the fun. Follow me. First, let's gather some of these Easter eggs. I'll replace them with my special chocolate Easter eggs. Why are they special? Well, wait around and you'll see. I think they liked it. Now, let's see how the forest animals like it.
Like, subscribe, and join the fun. The sky, the joys
That was so much fun. I think they like my chocolate popping eggs.
No, this isn't what Easter's about.
Hey, I'll get back all the Easter eggs. Have fun. Don't leave yet. Let me change so we can talk about the fun part. If you don't know, rewatch it now and come back. So how many did you count? Let's see. There were 9 chocolate popping eggs and 7 little mice.